Ever wished you could turn a single photo into a moving, lifelike video? Well, today, I'm showing you 3 AI tools that do exactly that. Whether you want realistic animations, flexing muscles, or even talking photos, these tools can make it happen. Let's jump in. First up, Runway ML, a powerful AI that brings still images to life. Sign up on Runway ML. Go to Generate Video. Upload an image and type a simple prompt. I uploaded an image of a muscular guy standing still, just chilling, no flexing yet. For the prompt, I kept it simple. A muscular guy doing a muscle flex and showing off. Hit generate and boom. The AI animates him flexing like he's competing for Mr. Olympia. 0 gym time required. A great looking video to impress your crush. Next, I uploaded an old medieval castle with the prompt, make it look like a fantasy kingdom with dragons flying around. The result? Dragons soaring through the sky. Straight out of a fantasy movie. This looked okay, but let's try another one. Let's upload a cyberpunk-looking car parked on the streets of Tokyo. For this, I used the prompt, make it a cyberpunk racing scene, with neon reflections and rain effects, and the AI transformed it into a high-quality, futuristic scene. What do you have to say about this? With Runway ML, the possibilities are endless. But let's check out another tool. We have Pixverse. This tool comes with some amazing special effects. It takes an image of any person and turns them into a muscle-packed beast. Simply sign up for Pixverse. Click Create and upload a normal photo. Select the muscle surge effect and generate. I uploaded a regular-looking gym guy, applied muscle surge, and within seconds, he looks like he's been lifting weights non-stop for the past decade. If you've ever wanted to see yourself turn into a shredded monster without actually going to the gym, well, here's your chance. There are some other amazing special effects to try out. You can turn cars into transformers. You can have 2 people hugging or kissing. You can have people fighting, and many more to try out. So, last but not least, we have Vidu.ai, a simple yet promising tool. It's super fast, and you get 80 free credits when you sign up. I tested it with a photo of a girl and used the prompt, make her smile and blink naturally. And while the animation works, you can see that the quality isn't quite there yet. But considering the lower generation cost, this tool has huge potential as it improves over time. 3 awesome AI tools that can make any image move. Runway ML, great for cinematic animations. Pixverse muscle surge mode equals instant bodybuilder. Some other amazing special effects to try out. Vidu, not perfect yet, but cheap and improving fast. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to turn random pictures into action movie scenes. Hit that like button before AI makes a flexing version of you.